Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Grid Hero EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, look at the features highlighted by the developer, review the historical testing information provided, and discuss the overall historical performance and considerations before using the EA. So starting here on the marketplace page, Grid Hero EA is currently listed at 499 US dollars. The version shown is 9.8. And according to the listing, it was last updated on October 13th, 2018. The developer describes Grid Hero as a fully automated expert advisor that combines its proprietary P.A.M.A or pips averaging mathematical algorithm with price action trading and what is referred to as an artificial instinct self-adaptive processing unit. Now, one of the first things highlighted on the page is the development and testing process. According to the developer, the EA was developed using a reversed sampling methodology with separate in-sample and out-of-sample testing phases. The listing also states that the system passed a 13-year backtest using real tick data, variable spreads, and commission-based trading conditions from 2004 through 2017. In addition, the developer notes that Monte Carlo robustness testing and delayed slippage simulations were performed during evaluation. Moving through the feature section, the EA includes several built-in components. These include trend detection across multiple time frames, volatility filtering, spread filtering, time-based filtering, a news filter, and price action modules. The listing also mentions a fast in, fast out scalping technique and the artificial instinct processing system, both of which are presented as part of the overall decision-making framework. Now, looking at the recommendations provided, the preferred trading symbol is Euro USD on the H1 time frame. The developer recommends using an ECN broker with low spreads and commissions, leverage of up to 1 to 400, and a minimum deposit of $4,000. The recommended trading condition is specifically listed as ranging market environments. All right. Now, as I scroll through the settings section, there is a very extensive range of customization options available. Traders can adjust lot sizing, maximum trades, grid step distance, profit targets, volatility filters, spread filters, news filters, trading schedules, balance protection features, and notification settings. There are also options for auto lot sizing and basket management, allowing users to tailor the EA to their preferred risk parameters. Moving into the historical testing discussion, the developer's published testing covers a lengthy period of market history, which can provide a broader view of how the EA reacted to different market conditions over time. Longer testing periods are generally useful because they expose a strategy to a wider variety of market environments. That said, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions and broker setups. So looking at the provided report here, I can see that initial deposit was $3,000. Total net profit was over $120,000, and the total trades taken were 16,942, out of which 12,680 were profitable, giving us a 74.84% win rate. I can see here that the balance and equity curve is quite steady, right? And has been rising over time. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how this EA performed, the grid hero EA. Let's see how it performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame using the every tick model over the past 3 months. All right, from here I can see that initial deposit $10,000, no trade was taken. Heading over to the journal here, I can see expert remove function called. Okay, I don't know if there is an issue with this expert advisor that prevented it from being, working as it ought to. But let us go turn on the visuals and let's see how, the EA is going to be displayed. And if there is any other thing, we can pick up from there. All right, so this is how the EA looks like. This is the dashboard here. We can see it shows us open orders, pending orders, total open, lot, latest grid, lot, next grid lot, and all of that, right? And here we also have these buttons: the buy, sell, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, stop, and all the others. All right, so now looking at the historical chart activity and the information provided, the system appears to combine averaging techniques with filtering mechanisms designed to control when initial positions are opened. Features such as volatility filters, spread filters, trend detection, and time filters suggest an effort to selectively engage the market rather than operate under all conditions. All right, so now, as always, historical backtest results should be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future performance. Actual trading results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot sizing choices, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and user optimization. So overall, the Grid Hero EA for MT4 is a highly configurable automated trading system built around the developer's P.A.M.A framework with extensive filtering, position management, and risk control options. Before considering live deployment, I would strongly recommend conducting your own testing and optimization so you can evaluate how the EA performs under your specific trading conditions and risk tolerance. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.